Want to jump into the world of crypto but don't know where to start? Transak offers a simple and secure way to buy crypto directly using various payment methods. Let's walk through it. First, navigate to the platform where you wish to buy crypto and select Transak as your payment provider. Specify the amount of crypto you want to purchase. Now, choose the specific cryptocurrency you are interested in buying. Transak supports a wide range of popular coins. Select your preferred payment method. Transak usually accepts credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. You'll need to provide some personal information for verification purposes. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud. Review all the details of your transaction to ensure accuracy. Then, confirm your purchase. Transak will process your transaction. This may take a few minutes, depending on the payment method. Once the transaction is complete, your newly purchased cryptocurrency will be deposited into your wallet or exchange account. Congratulations! You've successfully bought crypto with Transak.